Are you experiencing FNB error code 99999? You're not alone. This pesky error code pops up when users attempt to transfer funds between accounts. It reads, "Sorry, your transaction was unsuccessful, error code 99999. After thorough research, we found that this error originates from the First National Bank system. So if you're racking your brain trying to figure out what you did wrong, rest easy. The issue is not on your end. The error code 99999 might also appear during other banking activities, but why does it occur? Well, it seems that this error isn't a system-wide problem. It's more likely that a specific service is temporarily unavailable. So, what's the solution? Try switching between the FNB's various banking platforms. If you're currently using the FNB app, switch to online banking or cell phone banking. If you're already on their online or cell phone banking platforms, give the FNB app a try. By switching platforms, you might bypass the service that's experiencing issues. However, if the error code persists, it's time to get in touch with your local FNB branch or reach out to their customer service team. Remember, error code 99999 is a hiccup in the FNB system, not a reflection of your banking skills. So, switch platforms, and if all else fails, reach out to FNB directly. Happy banking! If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.